What's the time where you are? Here it's 11 o'clock in the morning. So because I'm English, I always have a cup of tea at 11 o'clock in the morning. I also always have a biscuit with my tea. If you're not English, maybe you never have a cup of tea. Maybe you sometimes have a cup of tea. Always, sometimes, never, they are adverbs of frequency. And we use them to talk about how many times we do things, how often we do them. I always have a cup of tea. I always have a biscuit with my tea. Always, usually, normally, often, sometimes, rarely, hardly ever, never. Adverbs of frequency. How often we do things. I always have a cup of tea at 11 o'clock in the morning, no matter where in the world I am. I always have a biscuit with my cup of tea, and I always dunk my biscuit in my tea. But don't tell anyone. It's our little secret. See you next time. Bye for now.